In today's video, I am going to show you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Let's dive into the video. Let's open the WhatsApp. Let's send message to this phone. Like that, I sent hi to this WhatsApp account. Let's see the message. Now delete the message from another account. Now you can see message is deleted. Let's see how to see this deleted message. Let's go to the home. First, go to the settings. Now go to the notification. Go to Advanced Settings. As you can see, there is a notification history. Go to that. Right here, you can see the message. Let's go to this, and like this, the message is deleted. And also, you can see the deleted message here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe.